National People's Party leader Agatha Sangma has dismissed speculation surrounding her potential candidature for the Rajya Sabha elections from Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters recently, Agatha Sangma clarified that no internal discussions have taken place within the party regarding the Rajya Sabha seat. She asserted that the decision on the candidature lies solely with the party leadership. Sangma further stated that she would extend her full support to whichever candidate the party chooses to nominate.
As of now, we don't have any, we've not had any discussion on the Rajya Sabha seat. These are just speculations. So I can't comment on it. All I can say is that whoever my party decides, I fully support that candidate.
But if in case your name, your party suggests, so are you okay to take the responsibility?
Like I said, as of now, we've not discussed it. Maybe in the future, if there's a discussion, I can let you know later. I can't say as of now because, like I said, it's party's decision. It's not mine. And I'm just going to support the party.